These are 12 fashion mistakes stylish women never make. But the question is, do you make these mistakes? Because I definitely do. I definitely make some of these mistakes. Not all of them, but some of them. So throughout this video, we're gonna learn what to do and what not to do. The first fashion mistake is overly washing your clothes. Stylish women don't do that. They hang things back up. This one I'm really good at because I hate doing laundry. No, don't get me wrong. I definitely still wash my clothes, but man, if I just have something on for like an hour or two, I hang it right back up because the more you wash your clothes, I don't care how great of quality it is. It starts to look old, it looks dingy, it looks ratty, and so if you just hang things back up more often, it extends the life of the clothing piece. And that is especially true of pieces that are like layering items like a blazer, cardigans, things that aren't even touching your skin. They're really not dirty. Just hang them back up. Number two, now this one I'm bad at. This is a mistake I make every single day, and it's always choosing jeans. Stylish women wear more than just jeans. They'll wear dresses, trousers, skirts, jumpsuits. They don't always pick jeans. I always pick jeans because it's just the safe option. And nothing wrong with that. The thing is, who the heck cares about any of this? You wear what you want to wear. But if every single day you're wearing jeans, you might not be considered as stylish as maybe you could be. And so I wanted to share just some ways to think outside of the box. So that leads me to number three. The next mistake is never experimenting. And so this is me experimenting. I wanted to share ThredUp. ThredUp is such an amazing online thrift store. It's the world's largest online thrift store, and they have collaborated with me for this video. I've shared them before. You can find so many good things, anything you're looking for, at really good prices. So they have a new feature, and I'll have it linked down below, but you can now share your favorites. And so I'm going to share my favorites with you. And I picked so many things that are very wearable, like everyday pieces. And I also picked things geared towards the holidays. You can click my link down below, use my code Shea, and you can actually get 40% off your first order. So I'm going to share some holiday stuff, but first I want to share me experimenting. So this first outfit, it's actually this shirt paired with a skirt and boots. Everything from head to toe is from ThredUp. So I love all of these pieces. I'm still torn if I like this whole outfit together. It's a little bit too tight everywhere for me, but the shirt, like I'm wearing it today, it's great. The skirt is such a nice color. The boots though, the boots are it for me. I am obsessed with these boots. They are so comfortable. They're like so stylish. I just can't believe I found them on a thrift store. But I feel like I want to make some changes here. So I also got this beige sweater from ThredUp, and I decided to just put it on over top to see if maybe I would like that a little bit better. And that definitely improved it a bit for me. But I then got this sweater that's a little bit more of an eggplant purpley color. It kind of ties in with the skirt. And I feel like this is more what I'm going for. The skirt is so tight that I wanted something a little bit looser on the top, but I'm still incorporating the boots that I'm obsessed with. Now I know this isn't a holiday video, but it is the beginning of December. And so I wanted to share some items that would be good for a Christmas party or a holiday gathering. We have this Zara dress. Just wait till you hear the price that I paid for this thing. So this Zara dress is stunning. It fits me like a glove. It is beautiful. The estimated retail price is $49, and I paid ThredUp's price of $13. I paid $13 for this dress, and it fits me so well. So just keep ThredUp in mind. If you have a dressy function coming up and you're like, I need a new dress, look at ThredUp. You'll be shocked at what you can find. And then we have this ugly sweater because I have an ugly sweater party coming up. I'm sure a lot of us do. So this is from H&M. So it's actually from a cool brand. And it says Merry Christmas on it. And there's a bell. There's a bell. So everyone can hear me coming. But the estimated retail price, it was $27. And I paid ThredUp's price of $6.75. So again, you can click the link down below to shop my favorites or just shop for whatever the heck you're looking for. And don't forget to use code Shea for an extra 40% off your first order. The next fashion mistake, and this is a good one, you're gonna learn a lot with this one. The next fashion mistake stylish women never make is ignoring the sandwich rule. What is the sandwich rule, you might ask? And the thing is, I feel like a lot of times I apply this rule, but I didn't know it was actually called something. So the sandwich rule is when you kind of pair colors on the top and bottom together to kind of create a sandwich. It just cohesively pulls the entire outfit together. And the same goes for sizing. So let's just give some examples here. Let's start with colors. So first I have this outfit with a black top, a blackish gray pair of jeans, because I always wear jeans, and then a white pair of shoes, which this isn't awful. It's just not good either. Like there's just something off about it because we're not applying the sandwich rule. So here is the updated outfit, same shoes, same jeans, but this time I'm wearing a white shirt. It's actually this shirt. And instantly the outfit looks so much more balanced. And it's because we are applying the sandwich rule. I'm wearing white on top, I'm wearing white on bottom. We're kind of sandwiching the outfit together. Now that rule also applies to sizing of clothes, like whether or not something is baggy and loose or maybe skin tight. And so again, I have some examples. This first outfit, the shirt is tight, the jeans are super tight, the shoes are small and tight. Now on the flip side, we have this outfit where the sweater is very loose and baggy, the jeans are loose and baggy. It just looks frumpy in my opinion. So we're going to apply the sandwich rule where the shirt is tight, but the jeans are a little bit baggier and just bigger. And then again, we're wearing the smaller shoes that aren't overly clunky. I feel like this is so much more balanced. It just makes your silhouette so much better. It makes your legs look longer. I just love applying the sandwich rule almost every time I am getting dressed. I want to move on to the next fashion mistake, which kind of ties in with this, and it's just overly concealing your weight. Now, I hate talking about weight. I kind of feel like it's something I should just never even bring up because obviously it's something I don't struggle with. I'm definitely on the thin side. Some people think I'm too thin, and it's something that I'm sure a lot of you do struggle. So who the heck am I to even give you guys any tips? But I do think going back to that outfit where it's loose on top and loose on bottom, a lot of people that are just concerned about their weight, they'll dress like this because they want to, conceal what they're worried about. And I totally understand that. I just genuinely think that if you maybe wear something looser around the area that you just don't feel comfortable, like that's fine. But if you can, maybe pair it with something a little bit tighter or form-fitting somewhere else, again, just to balance it out. Like here's some examples on the screen of what I mean. Again, you just dress however you feel comfortable. It was more just something, just like food for thought, just something to consider. The next fashion mistake is never adding outfit tweaks. And I'm gonna give you a whole list of outfit tweaks you can add to your outfit. Stylish women use these all the time. First one is adding a third layer. Such a good one. Here is me adding to that sandwich outfit a blazer. I got this from ThredUp. It's oversized, but I love it. It's just simply adding a third layer. It takes it up a notch. Same with adding a belt. That's a really good one. Ooh, back to a blazer. If you're wearing a blazer, like here's a blazer I got a couple months ago. It's a tweed blazer and it's kind of boxy. Like I love the coloring of it, but because of it looking so boxy, I feel like ruching up the sleeves is a really nice touch. It's like a cool tweak you can do. And you can take a hair tie and actually put it around your arm and it actually keeps the sleeve up all day long. And so it's like, again, a subtle little outfit tweak that takes it to the next level. Now, obviously the easy outfit tweaks would be adding accessories like jewelry or maybe a pair of sunglasses or maybe a handbag or a purse that looks kind of expensive to make the whole outfit look designer. The next fashion mistake is wearing weird color combinations. And don't get me wrong, pairing interesting colors together can actually make you look really stylish. I did a whole video about it, but sometimes it fails. And this was me trying to experiment. I ordered this blazer. I mean, look at it. It's floral. The colors are so vibrant. They're so neon. They're so they don't pair well together. And honestly, like I'm torn about this. So like most of me thinks this is ugly, but then there's a small percentage of me that's like, I don't know, maybe it does work. Comment your thoughts down below. Is this good? Is this bad? Is this old lady? I don't know. But here is a blazer that does have some interesting pattern. It has some vibrant colors, but I feel like it looks better. It's like kind of stepping outside of the box, but in a good way. Being overly sexy is another fashion mistake stylish women never make. The perfect example of this is this shirt here, where there's a cutout right where the cleavage is. Like the only purpose of that hole is to show off your boobs and your cleavage, which I don't have. It would be a flat surface if I order this shirt. I feel like a more stylish woman would be more alluring more mysterious with their sex appeal. And so a good example would be that dress that I showed earlier in the video. There's lace the whole way down. There's no cleavage. I'm not revealing anything, but it's still subtly sexy. Or you could show off your décolleté, or you could show off your legs if you like your legs. Like, there's a lot of ways to be more alluring. Stylish women never wear the wrong coat. And what do I mean by that? I'm back to that lace dress. Perfect example. So say you're wearing something dressy, about ready to leave the house. A stylish woman would not put on a super casual coat. I mean, I love this coat. I've recommended it over and over and over again, but there are certain instances where it looks horrible. So again, here's the dress with a more dressy, elevated coat. It looks so much better. I'm not saying you need a million coats, but I do think you need one that's more casual and something more dressy. I didn't know what to call this next fashion mistake, so we're just going with wearing clown shoes. And what I mean by that is, if you have massive feet, there might be some popular shoes you unfortunately just can't pull off. And so what I mean by that are the UGG platform boots or platform slippers. They're all the rage. Some people love them, some people hate them, but a lot of people are loving them right now. But again, if you have really big feet, they're already just massive, they might make you look like you're wearing clown shoes. And the same goes for platform sneakers. I recommended these Adidas platform sneakers a few videos back, and I love them. I feel like I have very average size feet, so I feel like I can pull them off. But again, if you have huge feet, it might just look more clownish on you than stylish. And so I would get the version with no platform. The next fashion mistake stylish women would never make is wearing leggings wrong. Some people would argue that stylish women just actually never wear leggings, but we're not gonna take it that far because I do like leggings and I feel like you can really style them well. But wearing them wrong would be wearing them fully as pants, where you can see the front and the back. I just really don't think this looks good. I'm sure a lot of people are going to disagree with me about this, and that's okay. I think, again, we're kind of back to the sandwich rule. I would do something bigger and bulkier and longer on top, wear the leggings, and then wear chunky boots on bottom. We're applying the sandwich rule. We're still wearing leggings. We're feeling comfortable. I love it. The next fashion mistake is buying out of style clothes, meaning just because you see something in a store or online does not mean that it's actually in style. So everything that you're gonna see here, you could buy today because it's available. There's cold shoulder tops, sweaters, like, oh my gosh, these are so out of style, yet you can still buy them. There's Bermuda shorts. Not good. There's weird colored animal print, weird colored camo. So in a way, this should hopefully just help you save some money. Like, I would stick to just a foundation of classics. And then if you notice a trend or just really like a trend, you could add some pieces just to keep you up to date. But overall, I hope you enjoyed this video. Everything will be linked down below, including ThredUp. You can shop my favorites and don't forget to use my code Shea for an extra 40% off your first order. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.